Greetings, Branch 11 members. Mac Julian here with another monthly update. As we close out the month of September, heading into October, let me first once again congratulate all those Gold Card members and all those retirees that we recently honored at our annual Retirees Dinner. We had a great time, good food, and live entertainment. If you missed it, look forward to next year, but it was a great evening had by all. It's that time again. It is election time, and this fall's election is very crucial, is very important to all of us. We must hold on to the White House. We have to hold on to the Senate, and we got to capture some seats in the House of Representatives to make sure that we get the kind of postal legislation that'll see the Postal Service through. In the 8th Congressional District, we're supporting Tammy Duckworth. 10th Congressional District, Brad Snyder. 11th Congressional District, Bill Foster. The labor walks and the phone banking has begun. Got to get our members out there. Make sure everyone that you know is registered to vote. Make sure you're registered to vote, because this election is very crucial. Speaking of elections, of course, it's that time again in Branch 11 as well. At our regular October meeting, October 11th, we'll have the nominations of officers for the 2013-2015 term. All elected positions of Branch 11 officers will be nominated at that time. There'll be no regular order of business at the October meeting. And finally, Branch 11 members, as you may have noticed, I'm standing right outside the former James E. Worsham building, right here at 1411 South Michigan. Have some great news for you. We finally closed on the sale of this building. As you know, this has been a drain on our resources over the past 2 years, as we've had to deal with 2 mortgages. Now 1411 is no longer ours. The full detail of the sale of this building will be sent out to all the members. It will be a great benefit to our organization as it cuts our mortgage in half, and it gives us a bit more flexibility. Now, while we're still in litigation, it appears that may head towards a settlement as well because of the sale of this building. Look in the mail for the information that's going to be sent out to you. In the meantime, all the members, God bless you and be safe out there.